everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Gunan. Today we are going to explore the world of solar system. I'm very excited. Are you? So let's explore it. Hello John.
Hello Hazel,
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm fine. What happened? You called me here? Anything important?
Yes, tomorrow is our test on fact of solar system.
Oh,
Will you tell me?
yes, sure. Let's go to a trip. Yes, a trip on important facts of solar system.
Will I enjoy it?
Yes, it will be very enjoying for you. Now let's go. Sun is the biggest object within the solar system.
Amazing.
Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system.
Wow,
A day on Venus is longer than a year.
that's great.
The days are getting longer on the Earth.
Oh,
Jupiter is the king of Roman gods.
wow.
Saturn is also called the jewel of solar system. Uranus was discovered in 1780.
Wow.
Neptune is a ice giant. Did you like it, John?
Yes, and thanks Hazel.
Welcome, John.
Bye Hazel.
Bye, John. So, I hope so you like this. In this, the motive to make this video, to make this all the setting is to tell you about the facts. And I have made this on Scratch, and one more software is there like Scratch, but it's better than Scratch. So I made it on that, and even we can make a video about this. See, this is the option of video, this is the option of screenshot, and after making the video we can open gallery in which we can see that where our video is stored. So this is the reason, and if you want to know that how I made this, how many codes are used and how many space I use, then please make my video to 100,000 likes so that you can know that what codes are used. Bye everyone.